me using a calculator there, what is 5% of 261.04? So you just do 261 times 5, you put the percent, then okay, that is 13 USD. That is what you should be trading, aiming to reach the year. So count now, 261 plus 13 USD is how much?
261
plus 13. Yeah, so it's 261 plus 274. So this account, I wanted you reach it at 274. So come now, I want you, it is you operating this account. So number one, we are trading over one, and over one, or we are only strictly trading over one. Are we together? So this over one, we are going to select a market here, and we are going to select the market which has a lower. So select here, you need to select volatility. Now change that volatility to the less volatile markets, like volatility 100. So click there. So change it to volatility 100. So just scroll up, volatility 100, flat market. So it is you trading. If you brought that account, no problem. So volatility 100 that way. So we are only trading over one. Are we together? That is the point I want you to understand. So you need to select here on the over under. So you need to select there so that everything can be okay. Save. Make sure you save there. So you save, and then if that is of one, have you saved? That is okay. Then stake duration 1. Let me see, stake duration is 1, and then we have everything. Stake use a stake of only 2 USD. So that is what you should work with, 2 USD only. So you put place there, just go and press. So press that cursor on the balance, 2 USD. So just press it there. So there, 2 USD, press there, then click there, then click on this custom on the opposite side where we have a keyboard there. Good. Then press 2 USD on the stick. So put the cursor on there, then press 2, then save before you do anything. Save, and then everything is fine. So now I want you to look at what I want you to look at this. You see, there is a digit being produced here for the volatility 100. So you can see that price. It shows the last digit. So the last digit 6, 9, 6. You see it? 4. You see? So now these are the rules that I want you to follow when trading the over one. Are we together? Rule number 1, note here. Rule number 1 is whenever you see digit 0 or 1, because we are trading over 1. Are we together? We are trading over 1, and the rule is this one. Anytime digit 1 has appeared like that, then followed by 3, you should not trade. Or so followed by 2, should not trade. Or followed by any other digit less than 3. Are we together?
So I must buy over 3.
So you wait for either when, like, because you are trading over 1, that means you are trading. So what you will only lose whenever digit 0 and 1 appears, isn't it? So you are trading over 1. So what is your entry point? Digit 1 or 0 appears. Any number, as long as it is either 1 or 0, it appears, then followed by either digit 5, 6, and 4 or 9. Those are the digits you should click run.
So let's
like you wait for 1 to appear or a 0 to appear. That way, 1 followed by 7, don't click. Are we together? Don't click it, because 7 it usually returns to downwards to digit 1. Are we together? So what the first thing is, you observe these things here. So these things are the last digit here is what you are focused on right now. So I want you, before you click run, I want you to understand 1 has appeared, followed by 6, that you can run immediately. Are we together? Don't waste any time, any minute.
Why 6 not
that now 7? That is because I've been testing that for so long, and those should be the entries. So never enter whenever it returns, it gets to 8, from 1 to 8, or from 1 to 2, or 1 to 3.
So you said when 0 and 1 appears, so I must enter if So let's say 0 or 1.
0 or
So
1, then it
so I
shifts
must
to
wait
4, 5, 6, 8,
and 8.
9, not 8, 9.
So oh yeah.
So 1 has appeared that way, shifts to 6, you click buy immediately. So now I want you to be very ready on the cursor. So you should be ready to click that buy anytime you are inside. So you wait for 0 or 1 to appear, then followed it should be followed by 4, 6 or 9, especially 4, 5, 6, those ones only you can buy. So that is the secret for now for over one trading. So you should wait. Remember, you should wait. Even if 0 has appeared 5 times, you wait until it has moved to 4, 4, 5, 6. Are we together? Okay, try now. So you are observing the last digit. So you focus on the last digit. Focus on the last digit only. It appears 1, then you can shift immediately 1 that way. It will go to 2. No, don't trade. Are we together? Don't make a move. That is what now the secret is there. Because when you click 2, whenever there is an entry on 2, it will still return it back to 1 or 0. So 0 that one, 7. 0, 7 you don't trade, as we have said, either 1 or 0. It should never touch digit 8 or 7 or 3, 2, 0 backwards. So 0 has appeared, 7, no, don't trade.
So your entry is 0 and 1 and 4.
5,
4,
6
5,
and 9,
4,
but
5, and
mostly
9.
is 4, 5, 6. So 0 that way, 6, enter. Immediately, you should never waste that time. Okay, now whenever you have lost that way, you need to be upgrade this to 12. 12, that is how it will go, as I showed you here. You click 12, put it to 12. So 1, 2, then you wait, save, then wait for that entry. That one now, if you fail that one, that has no issue. That one you can accept and be very fast. No, don't click. That is 7. So 1 or 0, 0 to 4, 0 to that way. And don't waste time, because now that hand should be very active there so that you can click. So when you recover, you return back to using a stake of 2. Remember, we are going to 274. That is we are already targeting 274 from this account. So you start 0, 2, don't trade. And you see? Let's wait again. Let's wait again. You wait 0 or 1. 1 then shifts to 4, 5, 6. Mostly those ones. Because yes, 9 can give you a bad edge, but no problem. So let's wait. 0 to 0. Shifts to 7. No, you avoid that. You see 7, it has returned to 1. So 6, immediately never waste that time. So that way you return your stake to 2. You have won. So you return your stake to 2. That is how you grow a small account or any account with over 1. So you save, then start now. Keep now practicing that. 0, 4, enter. Never waste that time, because it will change anything. So that one is a win. Let's now keep now going that pace. You wait. 0, you click. Don't waste any time. You should already have entered an entry whenever there is an entry there. So
0,
we keep going.
5, 0, 4.
Yes, image good. Now you have started understanding how it should be going. You see, it's a win. It's a win. So you start going. That is how you should now keep practicing. 0, 6, enter. You should not waste that, because anything can happen there. So win, you proceed. And that is how you trade over 1 precisely. If you can use this strategy, then you are going to make it always. And I've told you, target 5% of your account. 1 dream, don't trade. No, you have clicked on the wrong part. So that is a wrong entry. You should not trade. So I've said 0, 9 that way, but 9 leave alone. Just practice with 0 and 4, 5, 6. Only those ones. So if you fail on those digits, then that one you can say it was a losing trade that was not supposed to be yours, that one you can agree. But all the other digits, make sure when you enter on 7 and 9 and 8, mostly you'll always be returned to under 1 or under 3 or under 0, on under 2. So you wait 0, then wait 5, enter immediately. Those are entries that are very sure. You can see you are already at 262. 262. So that is how you trade over 1. Yeah? You trade over 1 in that manner. So wait again. Be very sure. Be very sure. Should be waiting. You are the one operating that account. I'm not the one. So, wait for 0 or 1. Are we together?
1.
Wait for 0, 1, that way. 1, 1. You see it has repeated again. 0, then it has repeated. Those will be losses. You see? So you see it has gone from 1, then 2. So that is very good to avoid manipulation whenever such things happen. Have you seen it has gone for 1, 0, 1, 2. So 0, 6, enter. Very fast. Never waste. Never waste that chance. Never waste that chance. Enter immediately. Enter immediately. Never waste that chance.
So you're talking to
274. So I'll be leaving you to trade now, as long as now you have understood the concept on over 1. The digits you should avoid and what you should trade. It's around 11 minutes now. So if you want to more about these, those watching, you can always join the Trade Pro FX community under the www.tradeprofx.co.ke. Join the community so that we can always get to understand some of these concepts online. So join us. So I'm just make sure. So I'm waiting for you. When you reach 264, you can call it a day. I'll just review to practice. You move it that way. So you can see it is entering very well. Yeah. So the strategy works very well, and that is the easiest. You can see the Deriv usually has manipulation, and those manipulations are what you are trying to avoid completely. Yeah. So never waste that time. If you see that chance, enter immediately. Immediately. So 0, then not 8. I've told you don't click, because most of the people you tend to trade on that 8. So wait again for either 1 or 0 to appear, then click 1, then 1, another 1. You see that is a loss. 7, no, don't enter. Can you see what has happened? 1, 1, 7. So you avoid those trades. 1 again has appeared. 8, you see, don't trade. You see it has returned to 0. Have you seen what has happened? It has gone 1. If you have entered with 8, it will have returned you to 0. 1 again, 5, enter. You don't waste time. Do not waste time, my brother. Do not waste time. Do not waste time. So the last trade we reached 264, and first we call it a day, because you have already understood the concept that you should trade manual trading on over 1. That is the simplest you can ever do. So waiting for 1, then you run. Has it entered? You have entered on the wrong digit. Now change that stake to 12 very fast, so that you return your USD that has got endorsed. So 1, 2, then you save, then wait for that. So you are waiting for 1 or 0. Then I don't know. I was not observing that. How have you entered that trade? Was it on 1? Anyways, you wait for 1 to appear, then you can rerun. 0, then no, don't enter. I've told you less than 3, don't enter. Yeah, let's see. 0, then no, don't enter. You see that those are the mistakes people do. So 0, then you enter immediately. So keep timing, because I won't need you reach to 264, then I let you proceed.
1, 2,
no, don't trade. I think you made a mistake there. I don't know whether you entered on the correct digit, as I've said. So you wait until you get an entry, a sure clean entry. Remember, right now you are trying to recover. 4, enter very fast. Never waste that time, because anything can happen. Perfect. Return to your normal stake. You are already at 6, 12, 264. So now if I leave you from there, you are going to make something too. you are going to reach to where? Around 274. And I've told you, wait, I tell you, I've told you, you take your take profit. When you get your, you take your capital, whatever you have as the capital, always target 5% of your account. So right now we started with 261.
261. No.
260. 260. 260. Right now you are at $4, top notch, isn't it? So what do? You count 260, then check on your calculator what was the no, check on your calculator, because we are aiming 13 USD. Check on your calculator, you've done it. So minus 13, did minus 274 minus 13, that was there. So you started at 261, so you've added $3. So those $3, I've told you, at 261, if you count 5% of 261 times 5%, 261 where you started times 5%, that is how much? 13. So that is why I've told you 261 plus 13, so you get to 264. So this account, you are still remaining 10 USD more to go. So that is how you trade over one. Are we together? Anyways, those people are watching us, thank you for watching. We can call it a day, and at least you have learned something from that strategy. Keep going, keep trading, and you make it to the top. You can see 0 has appeared, 0, another 0, you see another 5 entry, you enter, then you get your trade on point. So I guess we can call it a day. I want you to grow this account to 274, then you will withdraw your money. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. Follow us on TikTok, mostly on YouTube, because I'm not on TikTok, and you'll get something. At least you can always have some knowledge each and every time you need to understand. So my battery is low, so we are going to return back. Thank you. Those are my Trade Pro FX community, those who are following me. I guess you have understood that concept. At least you have seen how to trade over one manual trading. Manual trading, remember, you can use the Deriv binary options as always, so that you can get this concept and a good entry. Any application you can use is fine, as long as you make your money. Bye. In case you have any questions, my number always on my bio. Come DM if you have not understood. If you have joined us so late, just DM. We can always do practicals.